This is leftover from a previous harvest I did about a month ago. These are the purple Viking potatoes. Delicious. Very white inside. I have to get in the backyard and finish harvesting my potatoes. If you've never had homegrown potatoes, you're missing out. So let me see what I have left in the garden here. Let's peek over this little fence. Okay, underneath all that should be some beautiful potatoes. Let's check it out. Let's grab some crates. Not sure if I'm gonna need to, but let's see. Excuse me, tomatillos, I need to get in here. I better be careful. Okay, these are purple potatoes. Delicious. They look good. Some redskins. I should be a little more gentle with it. See, this one is starting to root. That's what I don't want. But I can plant this again for maybe a fall harvest, early winter. We'll see. All right, looks like I've reached some fingerlings. And now a different kind of fingerling. Let's see what I just flung over here. This looks like one large garlic. Yeah, that's garlic. Maybe an elephant garlic. Just one large clove. It's solid. Clean it up and chop it up. So much going on in the garden. Anybody like to go fishing? And I just saw a nice snail here somewhere. So I'm sure there's some that might have been nibbled on by something, but I'll go through it. I used to do these in grow bags. It was so much easier. Let's check out this corn stalk. It's tiny. Look at that. About 4 or 5 inches long. Halfway. Filled up about half of one of the crates. Wishful thinking, but this is fabulous. I hope I can get a lot to store. And that's how my corn did this year. I'm going to lay the potatoes here on this rack and give them a quick rub with a towel of some kind, just to get some of the dirt off, but you don't want to remove all the dirt. You don't want to wash them with water. You want them to cure. Okay, they seem a little wet right now from the rain that we had, so I think I'm going to let them dry a little bit, and then the dirt will come off them a lot easier without me having to rub it. But seriously, folks, real food comes dirty. but not as dirty in the grocery stores these days. And we certainly don't want the sun on them. I'm in the shade and I have it covered. They should be good, but I certainly have to keep an eye on these.